Hey, and welcome to NEXD. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a more advanced animation, where several elements move in and out one after another to create a smooth, dynamic sequence. Let's get started. Open the creative where you want to add animations and make sure your overlay assets are ready. Click on an Assets Animation Settings and turn animations on. Before we start adding animations, let's take a look at the Animation Settings panel. First, pick whether the animation should loop or play once. The total animation length is simply the full duration of all your animations together. Here we're setting it to 12 seconds, because we already know our animations add up to 12 seconds. But don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can always change this later. Now, let's start with the first element, the strawberry. In the animation settings, set the animation type to move in and the easing to ease in. Set the start time to 1 second and the duration to 0.5 seconds. You can choose where the asset will come from, left, right, top, or bottom. For our example, we'll use left. You can also change the amplitude if you want. With these settings, the strawberry will smoothly slide in from the left side of the screen. Then add a second animation, move out. Set to start at 3 seconds with a 0.5 second duration, moving out to the right, also with ease and easing. The result is that the strawberry comes in, stays visible for a couple of seconds, and then exits smoothly. Once you've created the strawberry animation, you don't need to rebuild everything from scratch for the next elements. Instead, simply copy and paste the same animations onto your other assets. This saves time and keeps the movement style consistent across all elements. After pasting, all you need to do is adjust the start times so that each asset enters and exits at the right moment in the sequence. As you can see, I adjusted the strawberry text timing slightly, so the text would come and go a little bit later. Let's quickly add the kiwi assets as well. We want the kiwi image to move in at 4 seconds and move out at 6 seconds, both with 0.5 second durations. The kiwi text follows just after, moving in at 4.3 seconds and out at 6.3 seconds. Now the kiwi animation works as well. Then, for the mango image, move in at 7 seconds and move out at 9 seconds. The mango text again follows just after, moving in at 7.3 seconds and moving out at 9.3 seconds. Finally, for the last overlay element, the All the Freshest Products banner. Set the move in to start at 9.5 seconds and the move out at 11.5 seconds, both with 0.5 second durations. Altogether, this creates a continuous sequence where each product and its text appear from the left, stay visible briefly, and then move out to the right before the next one comes in. And that's it. You've just created a smooth, multi-element animation sequence using move-in and move-out effects in NEXD. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@nexd.com.